Cr2O7, 2 minus, will give us what? Cr is 1 here, so you write 2 at the back. Cr2, 3 plus. So the equation is balanced stoichiometrically. Now the next is to identify the oxidation number of the atoms that changed. You see that chromium changed here. The name of this ion is heptaoxodichromate 6 ion. Why this ion is chromium 3 ion, which means the oxidation number of chromium here is +6. So we write again Cr2O7, 2 minus, to afford 2Cr3 plus. The oxidation number of chromium here is +6. And that of chromium here is +3, which is equal to the charge. Now, the next thing is that we will go to the redox number line. Redox number line shows all the available oxidation numbers. Now, this place is minus, negative. The chromium was reduced actually from +6 to +3. So we go to number line. From +6 to +3 gives us 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps to the left. Meaning that chromium 6 ion accepted 3 electrons. Which means that we are going to write 3 electrons to the left because the arrow goes to the left. We now write Cr2O7, 2 minus, plus 3 electrons. But these 3 electrons are for 1 atom, and there are 2 atoms of chromium. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we write 6 electrons to the left, which will give us 2Cr3 plus. We have written the electrons, showing that 2 chromium atoms accepted 3 electrons each. Now the next is to balance oxygen. We balance oxygen atoms. To balance oxygen atom in redox half equation, we check the number of oxygen here is 7. Instead of writing 7 oxygen the other side, we write 7 water molecules. Because 7 water molecules contain 7 oxygen atoms. We write 7 water molecules to where? We write. Why write? Oxygen is already at the left. So we put 7 water molecules at the right. So we write Cr2O7, 2 minus plus 6E minus to afford 2Cr3 plus 7 water molecules. Finally, what is left unbalanced is hydrogen atoms. So we balance hydrogen by writing, we cannot write hydrogen alone. We write H plus. Because the system is in an acidic medium. We write H plus, but how many H plus? How many H plus is in hydrogen in water here? 7 times 2.
14.
That is 14. We write 14 H plus to the right or left. The right or left. Hydrogen is already at the right.
Left.
So we write 14 H plus to where?
Left.
The left. To the left. So finally, the equation becomes Cr2O7, 2 minus plus 6E minus plus what? 14H plus to afford 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. And the equation is balanced. Finally, to be sure that the equation is balanced, we check the atoms again. Chromium is 2 here. How many here? 2. Oxygen is 7 here. How many here?
7.
7. Hydrogen is 14 here. How many here?
14.
7 times 2.
14.
And we check the charges. The charge here is minus 2, right? Is it true?
Yes.
Plus minus 1 here times 6. Minus 6. Okay, let's say minus 2 here, minus 6. What is the charge here? Plus 1 times 14. Plus 14. The charge here is plus 3 times 2. Plus what? Good. We now add the charges. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. Plus 14. Minus 8 plus 14. That is 14 minus 8. 6 plus 6. And here we have plus 6 plus 6. The charges are balanced. So this is the balanced equation. Any question?